Are you ready to play a quick game of Find Your Niche? This is one of the quickest ways to find your YouTube niche that will pay you the highest dollars on YouTube. First, let's help each other and please subscribe below. And on to our game of Find Your Niche. First, grab a pencil and paper, or for the new age people, a Google Doc, and jot down 10 to 15 possible ideas that you are interested in. Please be specific. Don't just write finance, but be more specific. Write down something like Forex trading or how to reduce your expenses. If it is health, be specific and write down plant-based diet or managing diabetes. Please pause the video if you need to and click back on, and I will help you realize which of your 10 to 15 will be your winner. Welcome back. I hope that you have 10 to 15 possible ideas that you are interested in. First, please throw out any of those that you really are a novice on. People want someone that knows what they are talking about. Next, I am going to quickly list the top 100 niches and the approximate payouts per 1,000 views, known as CPMs on YouTube. With the list you have left, see which one aligns most with one of the top 100, and if the payout is a number you are happy with. First, my 21 seconds of encouragement. If you are interested in really growing your YouTube business, please check out my favorite source for growing your YouTube business, which is Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization in the description below. With a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee and several payment options, for less than the cost of a single college class in the US, you can be on your way to making a career as a YouTube creator. Click the link below to get more information. And now, without further ado, here is the current list of the top 100 popular niches and payouts on YouTube. See where your top interest is. To save my virtual voice breath, I will just show them on the screen with the amount per 1,000 views that they pay. If you are visually impaired, I will provide the spoken list at the end of the video at approximately the 4-minute point of the video. Here are the popular niches in entertainment and pop culture. Knowledge and education. Lifestyle. Health and fitness. Food and cooking. Gaming. Travel. Technology and gadgets. Wealth and finance. Hobbies and crafts. Art and creativity. Cars and vehicles. Kids and families. Nature and animals. And the other category. Well, that sums up the list of the 100 top niches. I really hope that you found one that will be a fit for you. Thank you for watching. Additionally, I have a long form video that walks you through your YouTube studio to set it up so that you can actually make money and optimize it for the best traffic that is linked to this video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Now let's all go make some money. For the visually impaired, here is the full spoken list for you with the payouts per 100 views. Comedy and sketches, $1 to $4. Music covers and originals, 50 cents to $2. Movies and TV reviews, $2 to $5. Celebrities and gossip, $1 to $3. Dance and choreography, 50 cents to $2. Stand-up comedy, $1 to $3. Pop culture commentary, $2 to $6. Science explainers, $5 to $12. History, $4 to $10. Tech reviews and tutorials, $8 to $20. Language learning, $4 to $10. Personal finance, $20 to $50. Coding and programming, $8 to $25. Study tips and productivity, $4 to $10. Math tutorials, $3 to $8. Space and astronomy, $5 to $12. Psychology, $4 to $8. DIY science experiments, $3 to $7. Fashion and styling, $3 to $8. Beauty tutorials, $3 to $7. Hair care and hairstyles, $2 to $6. Skincare, $3 to $7. Home organization, $5 to $12. Minimalism, $4 to $8. Tiny house living, $4 to $10. Day in the life vlogs, $2 to $6. Self-care and wellness, $3 to $8. Relationships and dating advice, $2 to $6. Workouts, $3 to $8. Healthy recipes, $3 to $7. Weight loss tips, $5 to $12. Bodybuilding, $4 to $10. Mental health awareness, $4 to $8. Sports tutorials, $2 to $6. Physical therapy and recovery, $6 to $15. Recipe tutorials, $2 to $5. Food challenges, $1 to $4. Mukbang, 50 cents to $2. Baking, $3 to $6. Vegan or vegetarian cooking, $4 to $8. Restaurant reviews, $2 to $5. Street food tours, $1 to $4. Cultural foods, $2 to $5. Gameplay walkthroughs, $1 to $3. Game reviews, $2 to $6. Esports highlights, $1 to $3. Gaming challenges, $1 to $3. Game modding tutorials, $3 to $7. Retro gaming, $2 to $5. Speedruns, $1 to $3. Travel vlogs, $2 to $6. Travel tips and hacks, $3 to $8. Luxury travel, $10 to $25. Budget travel, $3 to $8. Adventure tourism, $4 to $10. Cultural immersion, $3 to $8. Smartphone reviews, $8 to $20. Unboxing videos, $5 to $12. PC building tutorials, $10 to $25. Gaming hardware reviews, $5 to $15. Photography gear reviews, $5 to $12. Smart home devices, $8 to $20. Stock market advice, $20 to $50. Cryptocurrency, $15 to $40. Real estate tips, $15 to $40. Side hustles, $10 to $30. Career advice, $5 to $12. Entrepreneurship, $10 to $25. Drawing and painting tutorials, $2 to $6. Sewing and knitting, $3 to $8. Woodworking, $4 to $10. Gardening, $4 to $8. Model building, $3 to $7. Scrapbooking, $2 to $5. Digital art, $4 to $8. Calligraphy, $3 to $6. Animation, $3 to $8. Short films, $2 to $5. Photography tips, $5 to $10. Car reviews, $10 to $20. Auto detailing, $5 to $12. Car restoration, $8 to $15. Motorbike reviews, $5 to $10. Racing, $3 to $8. Kids toy reviews, $1 to $5. Parenting tips, $3 to $8. Family vlogs, $2 to $6. Educational content for kids, $4 to $10. Storytelling, $2 to $5. Wildlife documentaries, $3 to $7. Pet care tips, $4 to $8. Aquascaping, $5 to $10. Dog training tutorials, $5 to $10. Cat videos, $2 to $5. Bird watching, $3 to $7. Autonomous sensory meridian response, $1 to $3. Life hacks, $3 to $6. Conspiracy theories, $1 to $4. Reaction videos, $2 to $5. Motivational and inspirational content, $5 to $15. That's the full list. Thank you, and please subscribe.